Hooray! Today's the 4th of July. But how am I gonna celebrate the 4th of July? I know a way to celebrate the 4th of July. I will shoot off some fireworks and have a whole lot of fun.
Later that same evening.
Great. I got all of my fireworks. Now to light these bad boys up and celebrate America. Wow. This is so much fun. I think I'm gonna light some more.
A few moments later.
Well, hello there, Flippy. Come to drop by my fireworks show? Damn. Chill, there's no need to get angry. It's just fireworks, see?
When's it go again? Nobody wants to hear it. Your beats are weak and your rap sucks. Look at you standing there wanting a reply. Here it comes big as a battle cry. You're a city boss. You're a city boss. I hate you so much.
Oh shit. I better flee before he kicks my ass.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I need to get away from Flippy and fast. This bear is gonna rip my head off and maul me to death.
I know that ain't Princess Pissy Pants shooting fireworks outside at this late at night. Oh yeah. She's shooting them off. I'm gonna rip her ass up when she gets in this house.
Mommy. Flippy is trying to kill me. Get the shotgun out and blow his brains out.
Well, I wonder why he's doing it. I'm waiting, Pissy Pants.
Okay, it's because I lit off a bunch of fireworks off to celebrate the 4th of July. And Flippy just came out of nowhere and started acting like he was possessed or something. This bear literally wants to rip my head off.
Well, no fucking wonder he wants to rip your fucking head off, stupid. You're sitting there lighting off fireworks and you probably woke him up from a dead sleep. You fucking realize Flippy's got PTSD. Do you?
Well, I didn't know that. I didn't know a bunch of fireworks were gonna make him flip out and stuff like that.
How about you use your fucking head for once and pull your goddamn head out of your ass?
Okay. Please just stop yelling at me.
Absolutely not. How dare you light off fireworks in the middle of the night while everyone is trying to sleep? That's it. You're grounded forever and ever. Go take your ass to your room now. On the double.
Wah 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 yeah. Wah. Well Rio knows I himself gravity and umbrias and barely fit visitors. Wah.
Princess Pissy Pants, stop breaking the laws of gravity and stop crying like a fucking baby. It's giving me a headache.
Don't talk.
It's not fair. It's so not fair. I can't even celebrate the 4th of July without being grounded. My mom is so unfair.